Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can sell Squarespace templates on Etsy. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. At first, what you need to do is come over to Google and search for Etsy, and then we're going to click on selling right over here, and then we're going to click on get started. So let's do that, and then we need to log in with your account. So let's do that very quickly and click on continue right over here. So let it load for some time. As you can see, you can also directly head over to etsy.com/sell. Now it's asking us, so you need to click photos, and this should be photos of the website what you are providing. You could also add a video of scrolling up and down, some editing into it, and then listing details. It should be Squarespace template, and then who made it. Let's say you did, and then what is it? It's a finished product. When did you make it? You say recently or whenever you did, and then this item is not handmade. So this is automatic, and this is digital, automatic and digital. So now if we scroll down, you need to put your pricing over here, and the quantity would be 1, and then personalization could be on, like if you can do like their colors, like you can ask that, hey, put in what colors you want the website to be if you want to customize it for them. And after that, there would be no return and exchange. From there, you're gonna click on save and continue, and in the next page it's going to ask you to put in like stock your shop, which means you need to upload your template that you downloaded from Squarespace, and then how you'll get paid, set up billing and everything. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.